Top of the morning to you, everybody. Welcome to Len Bush Roses. We're going to talk a little bit about St. Patrick's Day and how you can bring some luck into your stores with our beautiful Oxalis that we have. And we have plenty right now, so you want to get some of these into your store so you can have some fun with them. And I've got a couple different examples here I want to show you. I'm going to talk first about this little guy. Look at this beautiful green pottery bowl. We do have these here at Len Bush Roses. And today, Sarah and I will actually put a list of the hard goods that we use so that you can order, make it easier for you to order and call your salesperson or go on the cart and find these items. Just took a 4-inch Oxalis and dropped it in to make it easy. But look at how cute that is. The greens are just really complementary and all work together. And we want to make it fun. So when your guests come in, make it fun for them to walk in and actually want to take home an Oxalis from your store. These are great gifts to have for teachers' desks, for your desk at home, for your Zoom meetings, for your coworkers, that type of thing. Teachers especially love these because my daughter's a teacher right now, and her grade school, they're having all kinds of fun with St. Patrick's Day and little leprechauns coming into the classrooms and making fun. So these actually make kind of an exciting little gift, and for kids too, just to have as well. But think creatively and have fun with them. I love to use Reindeer Moss, and this green is just absolutely perfect. Look at that. And I'm just going to tuck it around the edge here, around the plant, and just fill it in. And it's really nice because we have various different shades of green happening that actually kind of brings some dimension to our piece. And it makes it a little bit more fun and exciting. And then picks, this is the time of year where you can, or this holiday that we can actually use picks. Some of us love picks, some of us don't. Some think they're gaudy, but St. Patty's Day, it's kind of a gaudy holiday. Go for it, have fun. And then just take some chocolate coins. Who doesn't love coins? Drop some coins around your store for your guests to grab a couple little coins. Pull them in with anything fun. Chocolate, of course, we all love it, but take some chocolate coins or whatever you want. And I just put some picks, I poked some wire right into it, and just pop a little lucky coin into it as well. And a couple of these little coins, it kind of makes it fun. And for your customers to want to say, oh, I'm taking one of those home for my sister or for my grandma or for the teacher, whatever it is, and just tuck them in and have a little fun with it. So that's cute. I mean, just look at it. It's just kind of simple and cute. Got some little coins in there, little lucky pick, and voila, you've got something fun happening for your customers when they come in. So there you go. This one here I love because I love this Dishgarden. It's just beautiful, it's footed, it's just a lot of fun. It's an 8-inch Dishgarden, and all I did was take 3 of the 4-inch Oxalis, tucked them in, and then I stuffed a little towel right down in here, just a little paper towel to kind of fill in the gap so I wouldn't have to use as much Reindeer Moss to tuck around the edge, because I'm going to use Reindeer Moss again because it is really one of my faves, and I just love this green. But you can use whatever moss you've got. If you've got a chartreuse moss, you've got some Spanish moss lying about, go ahead and use it. Just tuck and hide the edge of the bowl, get it into the dish, kind of give it some kind of fun. And you know what? When you think about St. Patrick's Day, it's an Irish holiday. It came from Ireland, and we think about moss and little trolls and gnomes and things like that. So what better item to use than moss in your arrangement? It makes it kind of fun too. Just going to tuck it in here around the plants, and these will continue to bloom and flourish. Keep them watered, of course. They do like water. And the nice thing too is that you can move these outside and they'll stay green for you through the spring and into the summer as well. So it's nice because an Oxalis, and let your customers know that once they start blooming, once they're done with them indoor and they start moving things outside, go ahead and do that. Gold, big part of St. Patrick's Day. So I just took a gold ribbon. We're going to just tuck it in somewhere here, just like that, because we want to have some fun. And let's see. Oh, here's something creative. Okay, as designers, we love to be fun and creative. I just took some Middlena sticks. Use whatever you've got. If you've got something else that works too. But this is what I had on hand, and I painted them. And I wanted yellow because it would kind of be nice and bright, but I didn't have my yellow paint handy as I put this together. So I chose orange and purple and blue and hot pink. So fun colors create a rainbow. What a fun thing to put over this little dish garden of Oxalis plants. And that is going to just make it interesting and fun for your customers. I'm just going to poke it into one of the containers with the plant in it. right into the dirt, and that will hold it in place. Oh my gosh, that's cute. What do you think, Sarah? I love that. I think that's cute. Let's add some rocks because again, moss and rocks all to go together. So we're kind of like we're creating a little Irish landscape here. It's all part of St. Patty's Day. And then, oh, what do we have to have at the end of the rainbow, Sarah?
Chocolate.
Yes, gold coins. That's right. Some gold coins at the end of the rainbow, just like that. Look at, oh gosh, I hope this really inspires you guys to have fun because I think this is a lot of fun. I think I'm gonna have to actually give this to my daughter for her classroom. But there we go, little coins at the end of the rainbow. Just really cute and fun. And you know, then your customers, if they're giving a gift or if they're taking one home for themselves, they've actually got a little chocolate here that they could actually pull out and eat. And if we wanted to tuck in another little pick, make it again a little bit more fun, do whatever you want to do, have fun with this. I just hope this inspires you and gives you just like a moment of, wow, Georgia did that. It gave me the idea to do this. That's what I love about sharing our inspirational ideas when we're working together, is that what I think of may jog your creative brain to think of something even more unique. And that's why I just love to share with you. So here we go. I hope you call your salesperson, grab a couple little Dishgardens or whatever you've got in your store, get some of these Oxalis because St. Patty's Day is next week, Tuesday or Wednesday. 17th is Tuesday or Wednesday. I want to say it's Wednesday, but it's coming up quickly. So grab these now so you can get some little gardens put together and they'll start walking out of your store soon. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Again, hope this was inspirational. Have a great day and happy St. Patrick's Day.